Hey everyone, it's Derek. I am working on my 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat today. Last month I did a mid muffler delete, which is really awesome. I like the way the car sound, and I got it done for 85 bucks. I wish I would have did it when I first got the car. Right now I got about 12,000 miles on it, so I'm starting to do a few things to it. Hopefully get some extra performance out of it at the track. Today I am going to change out my brake pads. You can see these things are like filthy, and it doesn't take long, even after I wash this car, get it cleaned up, for these brake pads to get my rims to get all dirty and stuff. So I've seen on YouTube that a lot of folks are going with the Powerstop Extreme brakes. For this model, I went with the Z26 1405. Supposed to, from what I've heard, produce almost no brake dust or very little brake dust. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I've also ordered a one-piece drive shaft from the drive shaft shop. As soon as I get that in, I'll be swapping that out. And I also plan on putting a differential brace on it here pretty soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this swapped out. As soon as I get it finished, I'll go ahead and make another video, see how everyone can see it. Hopefully it won't take that long. I heard it's a pretty quick install. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to this, and hopefully you like what you see when I get done. Talk to y'all later. All right, this Derek again. Didn't get a chance to post the second part of the brake install because it got dark last night on me, and so it took me a little longer than I expected to do. It was pretty easy, but I ran into a little issue. But as you can see, I got the brakes cleaned real good, the rims cleaned off. I'm actually getting ready to wash it. I don't know if y'all can see this pin right here. That actually locked the piston in, the brake pad in. I will say using the ones that come with the brakes is a no-go. Use the ones that comes already on the car. It's a whole lot easier. This thing almost got stuck inside without me being able to push it all the way through, and it took me quite a while to get it out, but I got it out without messing up anything, and decided to use the old ones that were already on the vehicle, and it went in with no problem. This is the passenger side. You can see they went in there real easy. Got them all cleaned up and looking good. So now I'm fixing to wash it and get ready for the next install as soon as my drive shaft make it in the mail. So anyway, if y'all like what I've posted so far, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep the videos coming. Have a good day.